Hey y'all, I wanted to hop on here and quickly show you this floating dock from VEVOR, VEVOR. It came tightly packed in a box with the ladder, the actual floating dock, a carrying bag, a rope so you can tether, and then of course the instructions. So we did try the manual pump first, so it's set up so when you put the hose from the manual pump, it will push that pin in and let the air go through. So we hooked the hose to the manual pump, and then we obviously hooked it into the floating dock as well, as you can see right here. So we got it all set up, and you just push it in and you kind of just give it a turn to lock it on there so it doesn't slip off. So that was a great feature. And then we went to manually pumping it. We did see it was going to take a while, so we decided to hook the hose that came with that manual pump to a automatic pump that came with an air mattress, and it started inflating so much quicker. So if you have access to electricity, I would definitely go that route, but of course you can use that manual pump. You know, it just takes a little bit more time. So it's up to you, which either one that you can use or want to use, but it inflated very quickly with the pump, and then we put the ladder on with the carabiners, which is really easy, and we threw it in our pool because our sons pretty much live in the pool all summer long, and even when it's cold out, and it's great for the dog too, as you can see here. It's really thick, so it could really, hold up to the dog's toenails, and of course our son absolutely loves it. He stays on it all the time in the pool, and I was lucky enough to get this for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. And check it out, you can even put a chair on the mat and sit in it like if you're at the lake. So definitely a great product, definitely recommend.